Hey there, imagine making money while doing what you love. Gaming. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because I'm about to show you exactly how you can get paid just by playing games online. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on new ways to make money online. And hey, let me know in the comments where you're watching from, maybe I'll tailor the next video just for your country. Let's talk about getting rewarded while you play. There's this awesome platform called Razer Cortex. You literally earn Razer Silver just by playing featured PC and mobile games. And here's how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Download Razer Cortex and log in with your Razer ID. Step 2. Go to Rewards and select Play to Earn. Step 3. Sign up for Play to Earn, and from that point on, whenever you play one of the featured games of the week, you'll rack up Razer Silver automatically. And finally, just head back to the Cortex Play to Earn section to claim your silver. Yep, it's that simple. Here's a pro tip: you earn Razer Silver for every minute you play after your first minute, and on weekends, you get double the amount. Make sure you launch the featured game directly from Razer Cortex on your PC, so your gameplay gets tracked. But wait, there's more. If you want to boost your earnings, check out the offer wall in Razer Cortex games. It works just like those get paid to apps: complete simple tasks like surveys or sign up for websites, and the rewards keep coming. So, what can you actually do with all this Razer Silver? You've got options. Redeem it for cool stuff like Discord Nitro subscriptions, Nintendo eShop gift cards, or different in-game currencies. You can even convert your silver into Razer Gold, which you can use to buy games, digital content, or in-game items. Just think about it: your gaming sessions could finally be more than just fun, they could be profitable. I want to hear from you. Have you tried making money from gaming? Got any cool tips or questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so you never miss a new way to boost your income online. Happy gaming, and see you in the next one.